Hello everyone, my name is Ronji M. Ramos and today we will talk about is the 14 psychological principle, and the topic I choose to do a spoken poetry is the social influence on learning. So, we are all matter. Social interaction play a vital role in development. In terms of our environment, individuals' nourishment become more sufficient. A person learning is not only based on the book, but also on the people who interact with it. Each one has lesson and story from the past, which you can see only in them. Our families that gave us love and support push us to be strong during trials. Our families who are always there in our side and always there while we are pursuing our dreams. Teachers who facilitate our learnings, molding us to become totally human beings, teaching us a lot of things that make us rising. With the help of interaction, it builds a strong connection that gave us knowledge and information, and help us to know our mission. All of learnings that we have a relation to social interaction. In every individual action, impact our individual growth. Families, friends, and even teacher, they are the one who responsible of our learning and development. It started with our home with the help of our parents, followed by the connection we got from our friends and teacher, or even another. The way we think and speak has something to do of what environment we are around. The way we grow as a human has a big part of our interaction to everyone. Learning doesn't not only in school. Instead, the way we are interact to one another, we can gain information. Moral values and even basic knowledge, we can learn it through interaction. Most of people underestimate a person that not around in school. They always have a mindset that knowledge and information can only acquired with the help of proper education. But they forgot the concept of social interaction. We need to remember the way we interact to one another, we are gaining knowledge and manner that make us more empowered. Don't underestimate one another because all of us matter. Let us build a safe space and make everyone better, and avoid us the spread of hating to one another. Professional or even ordinary people doesn't not need a comparison, because we are a person, we are conscious even without profession, as long as we know the concept of interaction. From the next generation, we need to become aware with our mission and put everything in a good action, and help us preservation with the concept of learning and interaction. Learning process is crucial. Contribution or everyone that around us is a vital role. Social interaction on learning need treatment and are equal to spread exclusive knowledge and moral. So that's my spoken poetry, guys, and thank you for watching.